In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up client text message reminders in Acuity Scheduling, a feature that can hugely improve your communication with clients and reduce no-shows. Let's dive right in and get your text message reminders working effortlessly. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to your Acuity account. Once you're logged in, look for and click on the section labeled Client Text Messages. Keep in mind that this option might be tucked under emails and texts, so if you don't see it immediately, make sure to check there. Once you've accessed client text messages, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on Turn On. This simple action will activate your ability to send text message reminders, setting the stage for seamless communication with your clients through timely notifications. Now that you've turned on text messaging, it's time to decide which specific appointment types should send these reminders. You can tailor this by using the Send For field. Here you can specify whether you want reminders for each appointment type you offer or just for select ones. This ability to customize ensures that you're not overwhelming clients with unnecessary messages and keeps reminders relevant and valuable. Moving forward, let's take a look at scheduling your reminders. There's a Send Reminder drop-down menu that gives you the flexibility to control how far in advance your clients receive these reminders. Whether you want to send a reminder a week ahead, a day before, or just hours prior to the appointment, this feature allows you to decide the perfect timing based on your needs and client behavior patterns. Next, you will need to choose how the date and time appear in your text messages. By using the Date and Time Format drop-down menu, you can select from a variety of formatting options. This ensures that the information is clear and consistent with what your clients are accustomed to seeing, which is incredibly important for clarity. Now, let's talk about keeping yourself and any other team members informed. There's a useful toggle labeled Send a Reminder to Admins. By using this, you can choose whether you'd like to receive copies of these text message reminders. This feature is particularly helpful if you want to track your communications, or if you have staff who also need to stay in the loop about upcoming appointments. After setting everything up, take advantage of the Preview pane. This handy tool allows you to review the text message reminders before they go live, ensuring that everything looks perfect and reads how you envision. By doing so, you'll be able to catch any potential issues or make adjustments, guaranteeing a professional and polished result. And that's it. You're all set up to send smooth, automated text message reminders through Acuity. This setup not only saves you time, but also enhances the overall client experience, fostering reliability and engagement. Feel free to rewatch any part of this video if you need clarification along the way. Thanks for joining us, and enjoy your newfound efficiency.